We now call on
Richard Patrick Elsu. And Apolinario Miguel Ay. Thank you.
So we've all heard so many stories about underdogs. There's a story about the Spartans in the movie 300 and so many others. In these stories, while underdogs may not always win, they sometimes do. I, for one, have my own share of underdog moments. Some of them are good and some of them are bad. And I will share one of the better ones with you. Unlike some of my more brilliant peers, I have failed so many quizzes and long tests, and even some exams over the course of my high school life so far. But I did not stop trying to do better. I knew that something could be done about the numerous failures that I've experienced. And the thing that could have been done, I did. A C+ in my first term in first year over 3 years ago turned into an A by the third term. Being horrible with most forms of technology did not stop me from getting a final grade of A in my computer last year. A 29 over 50 in a certain long test this year ended up as an A in my report card. I admit that my failures made me sad for a while, but I refuse to wallow and be miserable forever. I believe that it's okay to be sad. It's okay to cry once in a while, but after a while we all have to move on and do better. The failures don't matter so much. What matters more is how you react to these failures. So I have accepted I'm not the best. So instead of trying to be better than everyone else, I acknowledge my weaknesses and work very hard at these. Instead of trying to be a second-rate version of some amazing person, I strive to be a first-rate version of myself. Don't let anybody tell you that you can never be better than what you are. Compete with yourself. Motivate yourself to be the best that you can be. Do well not because others expect you to, excel because you want to. Thank you.
Patunayan ko naman, sa 4 na taon dito, na mas nakakangalay pag nasa malayo ang tingin mo. Maghirap man ako ng maghirap para hanapin ang kaligayang hinahanap. Hindi ko napapansin ang maliliit na kasiyahan sa nasa harapan ko. Kung mabukhang hassle sa simula, sigurado sa malayo ka pa rin nakatingin. Mas madali namang mag-perfect sa isang quiz kaysa sa isang exam, di ba? Mas madali manalo ng isang laro kaysa sa isang championship. Kaya dahil dito, sinubukan kong araw-arawin ang pagpapangarap. Sa totoo lang, mahirap talaga. Hindi ko naman talaga hinakala na maabot ko yung Matis Award. Sinabi ko pa sa ilang kaklase ko na bahala na yung term na yung dati, yung last term. Ngunit kahit pa paano, gumana naman yung ginawa ko. Kaya kahit mas mababa yung makuha ko ngayong markahan, ayos pa rin lang sa akin. Kasi alam ko naman na pwede ako bumawi sa susunod. Pero dapat hindi sa susunod na markahan. Kung kaya naman bumawi sa pinakamalaki na susunod, ba't hindi?